Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. For an up-to-date list of available machines, please visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we also have 50 plus additional machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of an Altendorf F90 3200mm sliding panel saw. The main motor is 7.5 horsepower, and that main motor can drive up to an 18-inch blade capacity with a 30mm arbor. Your scoring blade is 1 horsepower. That has a 4 3/4 inch diameter with a 22mm arbor. That scoring blade does have motorized adjustment for both up, down, left, and right. The saw does have a 4 1/8 inch max depth of cut. It does have 4 cutting speeds of 3,500, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000 RPM. This saw does raise and lower as it should. It's also fully featured. You do have an RPM readout, and it does work. You do have many of these same controls on the other side. Basically, you have saw on, emergency stop, scoring on, scoring adjustment left or right, and scoring adjustment up and down. It's gonna be hard to see, but right now you can see that scoring blade just barely going just a hair above the tabletop. And of course, you can adjust it left and right. We're going to turn that main motor on. Turn that scoring blade on. Additionally, if we come in, your fence moves as it should. Does lock firmly. The ways are in good condition, and it does slide very, very nicely throughout its range. It obviously can slide 3,200mm or 126 inches. This is the view from the operator's side. There's your overhead blade guard with pusher. Tables are nice and clean on this machine. And finally, we're going to take a look at the back of this machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.